I'd like to welcome everybody to the newly reimagined Knott's Hotel. My name's Don Prescott. I'm the general manager here. I hope you're liking what you're seeing so far. We have 4 areas we'd love for you to visit today. If you go through the back doors there, go to your right, we're going to have our guest rooms presentation on the 8th floor. And then proceed up to the 9th floor and we'll have that presentation for our ballroom space. And if you go into your left, we have our new gift shop, the Berry Place, our 30 acres kitchen and bar. And then if you proceed up the grand staircase, you'll be at the grand ballroom. We're very excited to have you here today. We have Chuck Myers and Ken Parks here from our XDS group. They're going to come up here and tell you the story behind the design. A couple more things. You each got a lanyard. We have QR codes on the back. It has the fact sheet, the Knott's meeting and planning, and the media toolkit. We'd love for you to look at. And then after 5 o'clock, you're welcome to go into the park, enjoy the Best Boysenberry Festival, and hope you have a great evening. Chuck?
All right, I know it's a little hard to hear, so I'm going to hopefully come through loud and clear here. Thank you so much for being here. I was asked to come up and speak a little bit about the inspiration for this project. You know, behind me, about 100 yards away, Walter and Cordelia Knott spent most of their lives. They started serving chicken dinners, Cordelia did, out of her kitchen on her wedding china. That line got really, really long and became the start of what's now today Knott's Berry Farm. And it started because Walter said, we've got to entertain all these people that are here to have chicken dinner. And he built a little ghost town, which is still here behind us. When we thought about this hotel and bringing it into the story of Knott's Berry Farm, the inspiration was Walter and Cordelia. And that they would want to have some place where guests could come and stay and have a great time, have a great backyard to play in here at Knott's Berry Farm. And that it was a guest house, really. It was a place where guests could come and stay and have a wonderful experience. So that's what we hoped that we delivered, was sort of what that inspiration would be. It has a little agricultural influence because, of course, they started in that part of the business. That's how Knott's Berry Farm began. And just to give you a little bit more insight into that story that we used as the inspiration, that was created by Ken Parks, who's been part of the Knott's family for a long time. I'm going to ask Ken to give us a few words about that story and that experience.
Yeah. Thank you, Chuck. Well, I didn't really write the story. Walter and Cordelia wrote the story. And as we're looking at, there are multiple stories that have happened throughout the years here at Knott's Berry Farm. But as we were looking at one specific story that we would want to tell and base all of our design decisions upon, it was really the love story between Walter and Cordelia. They were partners not only in marriage but also in business for many, many years and spent their entire lives on this property. And so as you walk through the hotel today, you will see that love story in all of our design decisions and material choices. You'll see Walter represented in these kind of rustic, of the earth materials, and you'll see Cordelia in that she has taken those and she has refined them and she's curated them and she's made them presentable for company. I think that they would be both really thrilled that we have created a place where we can continue their legacy and continue their guest comfort, and they're wanting to make people feel welcome. And so we're so happy to welcome all of you here tonight. Thank you.